Good morning, students. I hope all are you are fine. So, in previous classes, we are going to be discuss about the different topics like that. We are going to be discuss about the prokaryote and eukaryotic cell, and we are also going to be studies about the cytoplasm. And now we are going to be discuss the most important topic, that is the cell organelles. As you know, the animal cell and plant cell, that are the eukaryotic cell, and bacteria and other are the prokaryotic cell. As earlier we are going to be discuss about the prokaryotic cell have only one cell organelle, that is the ribosome, and that have the 70s type of ribosome. As you know, ribosome is responsible for the synthesis of protein. As you know, the protein is responsible for the maintaining the vital activities, metabolic activities inside the cell. So except the ribosome, in prokaryotes no cell organelles, not any cell organelles is present, but in the eukaryotic cell the different type of the cell organelles is present, such as endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, chloroplast, peroxisome, glyoxysome, Golgi body, and these are the cell organelles is present in the eukaryotic cell. So let's start. What are the cell organelles? Okay, so you know, these cell organelles is the most important for the continue the all metabolic activities of the cell. So this every cell has a membrane around to keep its own content separate from the external environment. As we have earlier discussed, the plasma membrane in animal cell and cell wall and extra protective covering in the plant cell, which are the responsible for the separate the cell content from the environmental conditions. So similarly, here in that the cell organelles also have the membrane. So large and complex cell, including the cells from the multicellular organisms. Okay, so as you know, the multicellular and unicellular organisms, so those organisms complete their life in single cell stage, like that amoeba, bacteria, euglena, paramecium. These are that unicellular organisms. So in the multicellular organism, those organisms complete their life cycle in more than one cell. So need to that lot of the chemical activities to support their complicated structure and function. As you know, different type of the digestive system is present in animal cell, different organs is present, which are that conduct the specific functions. So here in that these cell organelles they play the most important role here in that the all continued all that structure and functions. Okay, so keep that metabolic activities of different type separate from each other. Cells have membrane bounded cell organelles within themselves. Okay, so cell have that membrane, and inside that cell different type of organelles is present that also have the membrane. So no difference between the plasma membrane of cell and plasma membrane of the cell organelles. Okay, so both are that going to be composed of the protein and lipid. So this is one of the feature of the eukaryotic cells that distinguish them from the prokaryotic cell. Clear? So on the basis of cell organelles, we are going to be differentiate the cell is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. As earlier we are going to be discuss about the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So some of these cell organelles are the visible in the electron microscope. As you know, the electron microscope have the capacity to magnifying the object from 1 lakh to 5 lakh times larger compared to the normal size. So we are going to be easily visualized under the electron microscope. So like that nucleus, then mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, plastids, vacuoles, these are the cell organelles. Okay, So as earlier we are going to be discuss about the nucleus, which are the play the most important role in the cell, that are the called brain of cell. So mitochondria, it is called powerhouse of the cell because it is the produce the energy by the process of oxidative phosphorylation, and this energy is going to be composed in the form of ATP and this adenosine triphosphate. In this form, energy is going to be generated, which are used for the metabolic activities. As you know, chloroplast is also the responsible for the formation of food or starch by the process of photosynthesis, and endoplasmic reticulum is that play the most important role. It is called the skeletal system of the cell, and it is the two type, SCR and RER. Later we are going to be discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and lysosome. So these cell organs carry out the some crucial functions of the cell. So next we are going to be discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum, in short it is called the ER. That Palade, the scientist in 1955, is discovered the endoplasmic reticulum. As you know, this endoplasmic reticulum is present in the eukaryotic cell, which are the absent in prokaryotic cell. So it is a large network of membrane bounded tube and sheet. Okay, it is present in the tube-like and sheet-like structure. So now it looks like a long tube around or oblong bags. Okay, so the three type, the our endoplasmic reticulum on the basis of structure, cisternae, vessels and tubules. These three type of the endoplasmic reticulum. Later we are going to be discussed through the figure. So endoplasmic reticulum membrane is similar in the structure to the plasma membrane. Okay, as earlier we are going to be discussed, all the membranes of plasma cell as well as cell organelles are the similar. Both are composed of protein and lipid. Okay, so this is two type, RER and SCR. Okay, are a rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum look rough under the microscope because it has the particle called the ribosome attached to the its surface. Okay, so like that, this is the earlier we are going to be discuss that this is the nucleus, and here and there the endoplasmic reticulum is present that have the ribosome, and this ribosome is responsible for manufacture of protein. Okay, so which are the protein is going to transported in the different part of the cell, as well as it is the spread from the nucleus to plasma membrane. So it is from the skeletal system. So this is the ribosome, which are present in all active cell, are present the site of protein manufacture. Okay, it is responsible for the protein synthesis by the process of transcription and translation. And we are going to be discuss what is the transcription and translation. Conversion of DNA into RNA. Conversion of DNA into RNA is called transcription. And conversion of RNA into protein, it is called translation. Okay, so these two process, DNA is going to converted into protein by the process of transcription and translation. As you know, in eukaryotic cell, transcription is going to take place in the nucleus of cell, and translation process is going to take place in the cytoplasm of cell on the endoplasmic reticulum. So but in the prokaryotic cell, as you know, nuclear membrane is absent, so both process of transcription and translation takes place inside the cytoplasm of cell. And so the manufactured protein are then sent to the various places in the cell depending on the need of using the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so those protein is going to be manufactured on the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum that are the transported by using this endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so it is that clear. What are the function of RER? It is the responsible for the synthesis of protein due to presence of ribosome. Due to presence of ribosome, this endoplasmic reticulum look rough under the electron microscope. Okay, next one, SER. It is help in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipid. It is also called the lipid. What is lipid? Lipid is also the bio molecules like the protein and carbohydrate and nucleic acid. These are that also the bio molecules. As you know, this lipid provide the 3 times larger amount of energy compared to carbohydrate, and it is the important for the cell functions. So that are the synthesis of SER. As you know, both the SER and RER both are going to be from the lipid and protein. As you know, these two responsible for the formation of plasma membrane or the cell organelles membrane. So that process is called membrane biogenesis. Okay, some of these proteins and lipid help in building up the cell membrane is called membrane biogenesis. Clear? As you know, the protein is going to synthesize by the RER and lipid is synthesized by the SER, and these two combined to each other and form the cell membrane. Okay, and that process, that building process is called membrane biogenesis. And some of the protein and lipid function and enzyme and hormones. Okay, enzyme, it is the biocatalyst, and hormones is also the responsible for the continued the different processes in the organism, like that in plants, gibberellins, auxins, cytokinins. These are that hormones in the play the most important role here in plant and in animals. The different type of hormones like the thyroxine and adrenaline, glucagon, these are different type of hormones is going to synthesize in humans that are the responsible for the continued the different functions. Okay, these two are also the organic molecules. Okay, so although the endoplasmic reticulum varies greatly in appearance in the different cell, it always form a network system. Okay, so as earlier we are going to be discuss, this endoplasmic reticulum is spread from nuclear membrane to plasma membrane, so that it is responsible for provide the network system. As you know, it is responsible for the sending of information like the what you also going to be said the network in your mobile. So similar here in that it is the network for the transporting of the protein and lipid of the different part of cell. So it forms supporting skeletal framework of the cell. As earlier we are going to be discussed, so protein which are released into outer membrane of the cell are called secretory protein. Okay, so those protein is going to be released from outside the cell. Okay, that protein is called secretory protein because it is going to secreted from cell to outside the medium. So in the bio, the very simple, the name is going to be give the answer what are the role of this. So secretory, it means secretion is going to take place through the cell, that is called the secretory protein. So endoplasmic reticulum is to serve as channel for the transport of materials between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and nucleus. Okay, it is going to act as a channel for the transport of material between the various regions of cell. Okay, that material is going to transport from the nucleus to cytoplasm or from cytoplasm to nucleus, that is the continued by the this endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum also function as a cytoplasmic framework, provide the surface for the some of the biochemical activities of the cell. And it is a important point. In the liver cell of the group of animals called the vertebrates, okay, those organisms have the vertebral column, it is called the vertebrates, like the humans and animals, these are the all the vertebrates, those organisms have the vertebral column. So SCR play the most important role, the detoxifying many poisonous and drugs, okay. So detoxification, it means it is the neutralize those medicine we are going to be take, it is going to detoxified by the liver cell and due to presence of the SCR, okay. So it's clear the SCR is responsible for the synthesis of lipid or fat, and it is responsible for the detoxification. And one topic we are going to be discuss about the membrane biogenesis. Protein and lipid help in building the cell membrane is called the membrane biogenesis. As you know, lipid is synthesized by the SCR and protein is synthesized by the RER, and both jointly is take a participate in the formation of membrane, so that is called the membrane biogenesis. And some protein is going to be act as a enzyme and hormones. So these are that structure of the different type of the endoplasmic, so that is the cisternae that have the ribosome around this, and vessels like structures and tube like structures. So three different type of this the endoplasmic reticulum, and it is, as you know, very well known about, it is present in eukaryotic cell. Okay.